Every morning feels like a new chance to grow, to smile and to shine softly. Just peace and sunlight. I open the windows. Let the sunlight in. I start my day slowly. No rush, no noise, and whisper Alhamdulillah for another day. Peace begins when we notice the little blessings around us. A warm cup of tea, a calm heart, and a few minutes of quiet journaling. That's how I collect my thoughts and set gentle intentions for the day. I take care of myself slowly. A splash of water, a clean face, soft music, small things, that they make the morning beautiful. Sometimes I step outside, breathe the fresh air, feel the sunlight, and watch the leaves move in silence. Nature has its own way of saying, everything will be okay. This is my little morning world. Simple, slow, and peaceful. Let's make every morning beautiful. Together. Learn. Shine. Stay peaceful. Subscribe for calm English and positive vibes.